Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of the 4-point bending of a timber beam reinforced with CFRP rod and adhesive material. You can see here we create just one beam and we create partition. Here is a compression and we assign compression material to this wood here and material with tension behavior to this section of the wood, and then the CFRP rod here, and this is the adhesive material, polyurethane material or adhesive material here with damage behavior as the property definition, CFRP, and we use elastic plastic with some changes in the hardening model for the wood in tension and in compression. So if I click on animate, you can see this is the adhesive material. This is not important because these elements are failed. So let me to just remove it. Okay, and now you can see the here. Let me to remove the CFRP. That's okay. And this is just a wood beam, and you can see that if I make it in this view, you can see here it is something zero here between the tension and compression. Okay, and this is the stress view. Let me to click on animate. And this is the wood deformation under the dynamic bending test. Okay, let me to request the plastic strain. You can see that here. This is the half view or symmetry view of this. And now let me to request displacement and CFRP part is CFRP, and this is a CFRP rod here. You can request a stress for it. We can request plastic strain, no, logarithmic strain, that's okay. And let me to request the force displacement diagram. Here, see, after applying the load, you can see the glue failed. The glue as an adhesive material failed completely. Feature edge, it is failed completely, and you can see the element throughout the model. Okay, now let's me to draw the force displacement diagram for this model. You can see it is something weird because the wood have a different behavior. The wood has a different behavior under the bending test, and this is a diagram for the 5 centimeter displacement. So if you need to model the wood with compression and tension behavior, adhesive and CFRP rod under the bending test, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, or search it in the search section of the website, this title, then you will find it. Click on the title or blue sun, and then you will have this introduction as a geometry definition, material, method, step, interaction, and load, and then the result as figures. You can see them. The cost for the CAE, INP, and English video file with papers is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.